This is a problem you might get while starting a particular program on your Windows computer. That is MSVCP140dll was not found. Reinstalling the program may fix the problem. This error occurs with the program which are dependent on the MSVCP DLL libraries. MSVCP means Microsoft Visual C++ redistributed package. It contains different DLL files, and if those DLL files are missing, then the dependent program will throw this kind of error. So in this video you will see different ways to fix MSVCP related DLL errors. It is not only for the MSVCP140dll, but all kind of MSVCP related DLL errors. Now the first thing you need to find is the architecture of your operating system. Most probably you will be running 64-bit operating system until and unless you have old computer with Windows 7 or Windows 10 32-bit operating system. Anyhow, you have to find the system type. In most cases, you will have 64-bit operating system. And then go to google.com, open any browser and search for MSVCP140dll or whatever the file is missing. Here, click on the first link, which is from dllfiles.com, or you can find the link in video description. Now you will find different versions of that DLL file. You have to download the latest one. So you have to download the latest DLL file for both architecture, 64-bit and 32-bit architecture. Even if you have 64-bit operating system, you have to download both files. Download 64-bit and then download 32-bit or DLL file. Whatever DLL file is missing, you have to download the both, not a particular one. Now the both files are downloaded in .zip format, so let's open in the folder. The name is quite confusing, so I will rename them as per their architecture. So first one is 64-bit architecture and second one is 32-bit. So you have to download and rename it to avoid any kind of confusion. So I will simply rename these folders as per their properties. Now let's copy these folders to the desktop. So I will copy and paste on desktop and then extract the folder. You can use the File Explorer or you can use the WinZip or WinRAR to extract the content of these compressed files. So you have to extract and then let's delete the compressed file to avoid confusions and move them to the right. Now we have 64-bit DLL and 32-bit DLL. Now you have to open the File Explorer, go to this PC and then C drive. Go to Windows folder and then open System32 folder. Find and open the System32 folder. And scroll down a little bit so that we don't accidentally put the DLL file inside additional folder. Now open the folder which contains 64-bit DLL file. And then you have to move that DLL file inside System32. Drag and drop that DLL file inside System32. Click on continue and it will move that 64-bit DLL file inside System32 directory. So the 64-bit DLL file will go inside System32. Now go back to Windows folder, local disk C and then Windows folder. And here you have to find syswow64 folder. And then open it. Scroll down a little bit. Now you have to drag and drop the DLL file from the 32-bit folder. So the 32-bit DLL will go inside syswow64 folder, just opposite of the naming. In my case, the 32-bit DLL file is already there, so I won't be able to replace it. I have to change some security permissions. But if it is missing in your case, then you just have to click on continue and it will move inside the syswow64 or any folder. And after copying the correct DLL file, whether it is MSVCP140dll or any other MSVCP related DLL file, you have to restart your computer and then you would be able to open that program. In my case, it was Asus Armory Crate. Now you can see that I am able to open that program. So just remember one thing, you have to move the correct DLL file in correct folder. 64-bit DLL file will go inside system32 folder and 32-bit DLL file will go inside syswall64 folder. By any chance, if this method is not working, you can try to repair the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributed. Go to search and search for Control Panel and then open the Control Panel app. Click on Programs and Features. Now look for Microsoft Visual C++ redistributed 2015 to any other year. I went 2015 to 19, 21 or 22. You will find two versions, one is 64-bit and another is 32-bit. Right click on it and click on Change and then click on Repair. It will repair the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributed. So you have to wait till the process is complete. And then restart your PC. And you have to repair the 32-bit version as well. Right click, then Change and click on Repair. So you have to repair both versions, cross 64 and cross 86 as well. And after that you have to restart your PC. And after the restart, you need to check if the problem is fixed or not. Most probably it will fix the problem. If not, you can go to Google and download the latest version of Microsoft Visual C++. You can simply search on Google or I will provide the link in video description. So go to this link and then you can see that it is available for 2015 to 2022 version. So go to this link and then download 32-bit and the 64-bit version of Microsoft Visual C++ redistributed. Now click on this link to download the exe file. Download both versions. Once downloaded, you have to open that exe file. Now let's open it. Agree to the terms and conditions and you can see that it is 2015 to 22 version. Click on Install and it will take some time to install. In my case, a system reboot is required, so I will restart the computer and then install it again. Alright, after the restart, let's open that file again. And now you can see that I am getting two options, repair and uninstall, because I already have 2015 to 19 version installed on my computer. But I will try to repair it using this version of Visual C++ redistributed. Click on Repair and it will repair the Visual C++. So you have to repeat the process with 32-bit executable file as well. It may take some time. And after repairing the Microsoft Visual C++ with the latest versions of the software, your computer should work fine. By any chance, if this doesn't work, you have to uninstall the older versions and then download and install the latest version of Microsoft Visual C++ redistributed for both 32-bit and 64-bit packages. And that's all for this video guys. Hope this helped. If so, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also press the bell icon to get notified about new videos and I will see you in my next video.